Good morning, children. Let us continue the 16th group elements. We did chemical properties, physical properties. No? Now today, just now we will discuss allotropic forms of sulfur. Allotropic forms of sulfur. There are mainly two types are there, children. One is rhombic sulfur, represented by alpha sulfur. Rhombic sulfur is also known as alpha sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. Okay, what are allotropic forms? Sulfur forms numerous allotropic forms, which yellow rhombic sulfur alpha, monoclinic is known as beta sulfur. Monoclinic is known as beta sulfur. Okay, children, rhombic sulfur alpha and monoclinic sulfur beta sulfur. So now rhombic sulfur crystals are formed on evaporating the solution of gold sulfur in CS2. Now next, monoclinic beta sulfur. Monoclinic sulfur is also known as beta sulfur. This form of sulfur is prepared by melting rhombic sulfur in a dish and cooling till crust is formed. Two holes are made in the crust and the remaining liquid is poured out. On removing the crust, colorless needle-shaped crystals of beta sulfur are formed. On cooling, children will get beta sulfur. It is also known as monoclinic sulfur. Is it clear, children? Now both rhombic and monoclinic sulfur have S8 molecules. So these S8 molecules are puckered in the boat-shaped structure. Can you able to see the boat, children? These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So therefore sulfur is represented by S8. Both monoclinic and rhombic sulfur, both are having sulfur, having 8 sulfur atoms. The molecular formula is SA in the form of the puckered ring structure or boat-shaped structure. Clear, children? Now next. Now preparation of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is a molecular formula SO2, and in sulfur dioxide one coordinate bond is there. One coordinate bond, and now look at the structure of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur and oxygen is having double covalent bond. Okay. And sulfur and the second oxygen is having what kind of bond? Coordinate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So sulfur completes its octet state with oxygen, then it donates a lone pair of electrons to the other oxygen which is in need of. So in SO2 molecule, one double bond and one coordinate bond is formed. Clear, children? In SO2 molecule, one double bond and one coordinate. Now preparation of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur reacts with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. Also iron sulfide, when it is treated with H2O, we have Fe2O3 and 8 moles of sulfur dioxide are formed. Now next properties. Sulfur is a colorless gas. Now sulfur reacts with sulfur dioxide. Now preparation is clear, children. Sulfur reacts with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide, and iron sulfide, when it is dissolved in water, will have Fe2O3 and 8 moles of sulfur dioxide are formed. Okay, children. Now, sulfur dioxide is a colorless gas with pungent smell, okay, and is highly soluble in water. It liquefies at room temperature and a pressure of 2 atmospheres and boils at 263 Kelvin. Now, sulfur reacts with H2O to form H2SO3, that is sulfurous acid. This is not sulfuric, children, sulfurous. Us and E, there is a difference. Sulfurous acid. Now, 2 moles of NaOH into the 2 moles of NaOH, when sulfur dioxide is passed, we'll have Na2SO3 plus H2O. Now, Na2SO3 also, when it is dissolved and sulfur dioxide is passed, we'll have sodium bisulfite is formed. Now, SO2 react with the chlorine to form sulfonic chloride. Now, the preparation of SO3 molecule into the SO2, oxygen is passed, which reacts with the sulfur dioxide to form SO3. Okay, children. Now, next, uses of sulfur dioxide. It is used as in refining petroleum and sugar, in bleaching silk, and an anti-color, disinfectant and preservative. Now, next compound, children, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is the king of the chemicals. It is the most powerful acid. What we call in local language Teja means H2SO4. Now, manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process. Now, into the SO2, when oxygen is passed, we'll have 2 moles of SO3. Now, SO3 react with the H2SO4 to form H2S2O7, that is oleum. Now, the oleum further react with H2O to form sulfuric acid. Clear, children? I repeat, manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process. Sulfuric acid is one of the most important chemical substance. Okay. Now, which involves that how will you manufacture? Burning of sulfur or sulfide ore to generate SO2, and the conversion of SO2 into SO3 and absorption of SO3 in H2SO4 to form oleum. Now, the reaction is exothermic, reversible, and the forward reaction leads to the decrease in the volume. Now, sulfur dioxide is a colorless gas, colorless liquid, and it is highly powerful oxidizing agent. Now, properties. This is the sucrose C12H22. C12H22 and O11. In presence of H2SO4, carbon is formed, 12 moles of carbon and 11 moles of H2O. Now, this reaction is known as child. Okay, children? Now, concentrated sulfuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent also. Many wet gases can be dried by passing through them through sulfuric acid. Now, charring action on carbohydrate. Sucrose, when it is treated with sulfuric acid, now 12 moles of carbon is formed. Hot concentrated sulfuric acid is a moderately strong oxidizing agent. It is intermediate between phosphoric and nitric acid. Now, sulfuric acid also reacts with the metals and non-metals to form sulfates. Copper reacts with the sulfuric acid to form copper sulfate, SO2 and H2O. Copper reacts with the H2SO4 to form copper sulfate plus H2O plus SO2. Clear, children? Copper reacts with the sulfuric acid to form copper sulfate, SO2 plus 2 moles of H2O. Now, sulfuric acid also reacts with the sulfur to form SO2. Sulfuric acid also reacts with the sulfur to form SO2 and H2O. Okay, what did I say? Sulfur also react with the sulfuric acid to form sulfur dioxide. Okay, sulfur dioxide and H2O. Clear, children?